These are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides. On the sides you see dots, and these are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to create numbers that we can work with. In this case, we want to create 6-digit numbers that are decimal numbers to the thousandths. So what I'm going to do is just choose 3 dominoes. And I am going to place them side by side so that I see 6 digits. I see a 7, a 5, a 6, a 9, a 6, and a 3. Now I am going to take this 6-digit number and write it so that I have a decimal number to the thousandths. So here I'm going to write the 7, the 5, and the 6. And now the last 3 digits have to be on the right-hand side of the decimal place. So then I write 9, 6, and 3. So here I've created the numbers 756 and 963 thousandths. Now I'm going to ask my partner to also choose 3 dominoes, and they're going to create a number. And we have decided that whoever has the greatest number gets all of the dominoes once we've worked through this. So my partner decides to put their dominoes in this order. So they have made 804 and 564 thousandths. And so now we can decide which one is greater. Well, if I take a look at the hundreds place, I'm in the 700s. My partner is in the 800s. My partner has the greater number. And so we can select new dominoes and we can do the activity again. So here's one way in which we can use dominoes to create decimal numbers in which we can compare.